If I could have hot chippies every day, I would. I love them. But you can't have deep fried food all the time. So I've got the perfect solution. This is air fried chips, and you only need a small amount of oil for them to go super crispy. So I'm going to be cooking these in the easy fry. Now these are russet potatoes. These are fantastic for chips. I've just soaked them in some water. I've also cut them into my desired shape. I like these to be quite long and slightly chunky. So now we're going to take them out of this water. This just takes away some of the starch. Pop them into a clean tea towel. And then I'm going to pat them dry, so we don't want any moisture there. And just be careful when you're doing this so you're not breaking up our perfectly cut chips. We're going to place them into another bowl. Pop them in. And I'll add about half a tablespoon of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You could use vegetable oil, even olive oil will work for this. And then a generous pinch of salt. I'm going to season them now, and I'll season them later. Now, I should mention I'm using the russet potatoes, but you can use other potatoes. If you've just got a classic Desiree potato, it still will work. It just won't go as crispy as these ones. Now we're going to coat them in a thin amount of oil, and now we can start cooking them. So I'm going to take out the basket. And there's a small tray in the basket that just lifts it from the base of this, and we'll pop them in. Great. And we'll pop this basket into the easy fry. I'll set it for 20 minutes and it's at 180 degrees. And that's all we need to do. So this is super exciting. The hot air is going to circulate in the easy fry and cook each chip so it's crispy on the outside and light and fluffy in the center. Can't wait to try these. Okay, chips are ready. Let's have a look. Oh, how fantastic do they look. I did give them a quick shake in between the cooking just to make sure I can rotate the chips so they get that even colour. And look at that, piping hot, but break that, crispy and then fluffy in the centre. Who would have thought a healthier chip? So good. We'll pop them into my little basket, and then you can have your chippies however you like. Me personally, I love my special sauce, which is a combination of mayonnaise, tomato sauce, bit of Worcestershire sauce, and for some heat, some Tabasco. Okay, let's have a taste. Do you hear that? That is the most glorious sound ever. Hot chips, they're my favourite. Now I can have them every day. Maybe not.